Real-life applications of data science. Data science is being utilized in all aspects of human life. When you visit the hospital, your doctor may request an MRI, X-ray, or a CT scan. Your doctor would examine these images to detect anomalies within them. Through the development of image segmentation, it has become possible to search for abnormalities present in scanned images. Doctors can then make a proper diagnosis, and patients can receive the care they need. Data scientists have begun to acquire key positions in manufacturing industries. They are helping firms to maximize profit and minimize costs. For instance, industries can now collect and analyze data on their energy costs and optimize their production hours. By analyzing customer reviews, data scientists can also help firms improve their product quality. Whenever you visit a site like Amazon, you are likely to receive product recommendations. Things recommended are items you are likely to want to purchase. A new user on Spotify may notice over time that they begin to receive personalized music recommendations. Data science makes this possible. Companies keep track of the behavior of their customers, analyze their purchasing patterns, and make suggestions to them based on the analysis of data. Ever received a promotional text message for a discount to a store or a restaurant when you were in that particular location? Data science helps to make this happen. Your telecommunication company uses your real-time location data to send such texts in partnership with other service providers and businesses. Data science is improving the transportation experience of millions of people every day. Ride-hailing firms like Uber are utilizing big data to extract consumer insights that inform their business decision-making process. Data is collected on each ride taken. The data is analyzed and used in deciding fares and predicting the demand for cars by consumers. Uber is able to maximize its profits by surging prices in places with high demand through the insights gained from their data science team. Data science is changing life for the better, both for businesses and individuals.